In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to edit one of your passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your screen lock. Then select Edit button next to the Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!